Well, hello. Oh, yes, it is back. I am back and playing a new game called Teardown. I have so many mods installed. Oh, that's a nice thing. This is pretty nice. I like it. So get. It's a good thing. Yes, nugget. Well, human playground. Oh no, I'm not gonna use that on Snap. Oh wait a minute. Wait. Fin pile. Australia. Nice. Wait, what? I'm just gonna do something quickly. What the? How dare you? Oh, oh, dude, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not mean. I was just saying, why stand on their heads? But at the same time, I'm technically destroying them. So yeah. It's will I die? Is there anything? I thought something was burning. Yo, Dre. I don't know who that is. I just want to show you how powerful the quad shotgun is. Wait a minute. You. Oh yeah. Ah! The dinosaur has been destroyed. Okay, so I will um do some stuff with this. So what was this do? It would oh oh right there. Yeah, just ride it, ride it, ride it. Whoa, ride it. Are you gonna fall off? He's not gonna fall off. Oh wait. Oh what the? I gotta do this. Dude, just decapitates him. And if he's still alive, then just, dude. Oh, yep, amazing. What is this? Oh, that dude is not lit. Okay, how about this guy? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh no! Oh, what the? Oh! Decapitated. How do I keep it? Don't need it. You know what? He was already dead. Maybe not. Is this guy? The Australian YouTuber sitting high and proud. Everybody else just absolutely destroyed. Oh no. Ooh. No. No. Oh, nice. What's inside? No way. No way. What? Wait, is this a vehicle? Is this a vehicle? It's a vehicle. Dude, I said I didn't want to, I'm just not gonna have to look. Wait, does this guy have brains? Does this guy have brains? No, the guy does not have brains. Oh. It's not a very smart brain, but it gets the job done. 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 The road, feed. Oh. My basketball skills. Just gonna. Yeah. Yay! What about this guy? Hooray! Smoke. I do not advise this, so I'm just gonna cut this part out. Yeah. Okay. Now, I do not actually recommend you do this. It is very bad for health. So I will be killing this guy after. Because just to demonstrate what smoking can do to you. Wait, can I? What? He's smoking. I don't advise you do this. This is very bad for your health. Hoping he actually burns. Yes, he's burning. Get away. That's what smoking can do to you, and also what is this? So just boom. It's fun. This is actually kind of fun to. Oh, what the? Ooh, no. Hey. Oh, God. Good. No. Get away. Nice. What the heck? I just wanna. Can I? Oh wait. No. Throw. Okay. And yes, I did it. Wait, no. I do want to do that, but ooh. Oh, just gonna. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. What the Pokemon? Oh, wait, was it Pikachu? I think it was Pikachu. Pikachu, where are you? Pikachu, I gotta kill you. Pikachu! Wait, is that actually Pikachu? Oh no. Yes, Pikachu. Kill Pikachu. Kill him. Like, dude. Ha ha ha. It, it's probably not that. Yeah, he's Destroy. Wait, I think I can get this. Wait, down with the. Yes! Oh, yes! Ooh. Oh, yeah, decapitate him, decapitate him. Ooh. Just satisfying. Ooh. Ooh. Teardown, a very good game. It's now called. Okay, never mind. Wait, Poopy Tim's home. Oh, wait a minute. I was in there. My name is Poopy Tim. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Climactic. I do not. No. No. Okay, so. Oh. Wait, what the? Nah. Wait a minute. Finpile, the Australian YouTuber. YouTube.com. Finbar. Just gonna this. Oh yeah, it's. You guys are destroyed. No. Oh no, I just messed it up. Oh, this has been a good time. Vampire, Australian YouTuber. Nice. And also, I'm just gonna do a whole bunch of 360 kill. Yeah, I'll just. Okay, this is the end, and this is just a heist. I will be talking about where you can get Steam and why you should, no, where you should get where you can get teardown, and where you should and where you can get where you can get. And where you can get the yeah, just stuff. So you can get this game on Steam, a place that you can get games on. Yeah, that's kind of all there is, but except that it's a very good game and it actually has a real story to it. And I will be doing some videos on that. But if you want to do the story on your own, then you can just get it there. Then you can just get Steam and then just get Teardown. And it's a very good game. So that is why you should get Teardown. Like, it has a real story to it, actual storytelling, and what you have to do, and you get multiple things, like tools, and you can download mods as well. And yeah, you can get lots of mod packs, and it's just a great game. It's up in one of the top 10 games I've played. So yep, just here I'm gonna do the heist, and so here you go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and use your notification bells so you never miss another video. And we're going out of the sunset. Dun, 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 dun.